Let's discuss the claims process, the insurance claims process in the areas of bicycle accidents. Let's take the scenario where a bicyclist is injured by the driver of a motor vehicle, and the driver of the motor vehicle is alleged to be negligent, is alleged to have violated their duty and caused the crash. What is the insurance company's responsibility to that bicyclist? Well, first of all, the bicyclist can make a claim for lost wages against the insurance company of the at-fault vehicle. How do they do that? First, they need to be able to show that they are unable to work, and you usually get that through a doctor's note. A doctor will tell somebody that they are unable to work due to their injuries, and they'll have a note that you can use to present to the insurance company to show them that they are unable to work. Then you need to show how much you are out for money. How much do you get paid? And you can show that through your tax returns or through your pay stubs. So with a combination of the disability note and proof of your wages, you send those to the insurance company and they pay you a certain percentage of your lost wages. What else is involved in the claims process? Well, let's say you have medical bills. If you're disabled and you can't work, certainly you're going to have medical bills. How do you get those paid? Well, in Massachusetts, the first $2,000 of those bills are going to be paid for without question, as long as the medical treatment is reasonably related and causally related to the crash. They're going to be paid for by the insurance company of the at-fault vehicle. If you have private health insurance, there is then a combination of who's going to be paying the rest of the bills via the private health insurance versus the auto insurance. If you don't have health insurance in Massachusetts, or you have Mass Health or a government product, the auto insurance company is going to pay up to $8,000 for your medical bills. Let's assume that you can't clean your house and you have to have somebody come in to clean your house or to provide other services. If you have receipts to show that you are unable to do those services and you have to pay those, you can get those paid for by the insurance company of the vehicle that hit you. What about the clothes that you might have been wearing at the time of the crash? What if those are damaged, or your helmet is damaged, or your bicycle is damaged? Those claims, if it can be proven that that happened in the accident, will be paid for by the insurance company of the car that hit you. What about for your bodily pain and suffering, your injuries, the actual aggravation of going through the pain and the process of the injuries? Those claims can also be made to the insurance company of the car that hit you, up to the amount of insurance limits that that car might have. In order to prove that, you produce photographs, you produce medical bills, you produce medical records, you produce police reports, you produce witness statements, you put a whole package of information together and you make that claim to the insurance company. And that's what you're entitled to do if you're injured in a bike accident.